just give you a quick tip. I've done this over the years when I've been building decks and dealing with piers and footings and posts on footings. A lot of times we're setting footings and our footing might be off a little bit. And we have to put these post to base connectors. They're Simpson galvanized connectors. They hold it down, they prevent uplift, they hold the post from sliding around. But sometimes we need to adjust them a little bit, like a ½ inch one way or the other. So what I use is a step bit. I used a Diablo step bit and basically elongated this hole. If you look right here where my finger is right there, I used a step bit to elongate that. And you can kind of see it's not quite perfect, but it works. So basically by elongating it, you can see I elongated it right here in the hole. What it does is it's going to allow me to get a little bit more adjustment side to side. That's probably as far as it would have been able to go. Now I can give myself about 3/8 to a ½ inch more space to do that. This can be done on a drill press with a step bit, or you can also do it with an impact driver and a step bit. Here's a different version. On these particular ones, you know, what I typically do is just bore out a little bit on whatever angle, whatever side that I want to go, to give me the adjustment left, right, up or down. So that's how I do that. That's just a quick tip to kind of get you to get perfectly centered or wherever you've got to be on your post.